Hey, Common Grounds, it's springtime. And I know we're supposed to be sheltering in place, but we're sheltering in place in Tennessee out at the farm. Just thought we'd get away from the city and spend some time with the grandsons. This is Bryce. We're staying a safe distance apart, and that's really hard to do because there's somebody that you want to reach out and hug right now. I know there are people that I would love to reach out and hug, and some of you. But it's hard to kind of keep this distance, but it's the safe and right thing to do. But you know, we turn on the TV and we're just overloaded with COVID-19 conversations. We hear about the stock market, the unemployment. We see things around our own city that are just so depressing. And if we're not careful, that just becomes the reality that we live in. Turn your TVs off. Get away from your TVs and the newspapers and all of that for just a little bit, from social media. And just look at what God's created. This is spring. As you drive around town, you see the flower beds, they're blooming, the trees are blooming. We're beginning to hear a lot of the activity of springtime. Turkey season opens tomorrow in Tennessee. The turkeys care nothing about COVID-19. What they care about is just the place that they live and the joy of being alive, as we should. So let me encourage you, go out in your backyard, spend some time and some happy moments, reach out and connect with someone, make a phone call, or just enjoy the backyard. You know, this waterfall, after a big rain, the water flows down pretty steadily. But right now it's just a little dry. But after it rains, it's going to be rejuvenated again, and this place is just absolutely incredible after a rain. Just reminds us of the situation that we're in right now. We're in kind of a dry spell. There's trickles. And perhaps we feel like everything isn't going really well, but it is, because we're going to get past this. The water is going to flow again, because God will bring his beauty into our lives, and we're going to be able to hug. We're going to be able to reach out and touch other people. We're going to be able to get back together again as a class. We're going to be able to get back together again as a church. I look forward to those times. I look forward to the times that we're going to be together. We got to remember that during these times, it's not about all the things that are going wrong in our world. It's about who's in control. And God is in control, because God is bigger than the storm.
Okay, that was John calling you.
Oh.
Was that going to show up?
Yeah, it will.
On the video?
But that's
It's going to cut the end up. No, his whole screen was covered up with him.
Oh, I
Plus,
don't
he
know.
had a city emergency Huntsville shelter at home. In the middle of you saying, get
But that
outside and go
won't-
outside.
but that won't.
It's gonna say,
That won't show,
Wait,
though.
do I